Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add YouTube sound to Capcut. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon on any version. So for the Android, you simply need to download the screen recorder, and you can download any screen recorder from here. And on iOS you need to use the inbuilt screen recorder. Once you have, so I'm using my inbuilt screen recorder from here, as you can see that. And then you need to open YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you simply need to play a video, and then you need to record that video. And once you record that, you simply need to open the CapCut. And once you open the CapCut, you simply need to click on new project, and here you need to select the video, click on add, and then you need to click on add audio, and you can add YouTube sound here. So this is a process by which you can add YouTube sounds to CapCut. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.